The brave ostrich fights cheetah, hyenas and the lion to protect her baby birds. Ostrich harsh life. See the video from starting to end. The mother ostrich walking here and there in a jungle. The cheetahs that movement in aggressive mood at this time in a oh my god, the dangerous attacks of cheetah on the ostrich in a jungle. See that amazing moments. On the other hand, in our jungle, the mother ostrich look after the eggs of her baby. What beautiful and amazing scene in a jungle. See that amazing moments and enjoy them. The cheetah see that moment in aggressive mood at this time in a jungle and try to attack on the mother ostrich. What beautiful and amazing scene in a jungle. The mother ostrich in aggressive mood at this time in a jungle and running very fast towards the cheetah for attacking on him and to save her baby from the cheetah's attack. On the other hand, in a jungle, a large group of hyenas walking here and there in a jungle and pick up the ostrich egg. The mother ostrich in aggressive mood at this time in a jungle and try to save her egg from the hyena's attack. Wow, beautiful and amazing scene in a jungle. See that amazing battle between hyenas versus mother ostrich in a jungle. The mother ostrich running very fast towards the hyena for attacking on him. The hyena running very fast to save her life from the ostrich attack. Wow, beautiful and amazing scene in a jungle. See that amazing moments and enjoy them. The mother ostrich care the eggs of her babies. See that amazing moments. The mother ostrich and his baby walking here and there in a jungle. What beautiful and amazing scene in a jungle. The king lion see that moment in aggressive mood at this time in a jungle and running towards the baby ostrich for attacking on him. Wow, beautiful and amazing scene in a jungle. The lion, the wild animal called the king of the jungle, is a dangerous animal of the world. Oh my god, the lion attack on the ostrich baby. The mother ostrich in aggressive mood at this time in a jungle and try to save her baby from the lion's attack. See that amazing moments. On the other hand, in a jungle, the cheetah drinking water in a jungle. The crocodile see that moment in aggressive mood at this time in a jungle and try to attack on the cheetah. Wow, beautiful and amazing scene in a jungle. The crocodile, the dangerous reptile of the world, entered the water for attacking on the cheetah. Wow, beautiful and amazing scene in a jungle. Oh my God, the dangerous attack of the crocodile on cheetah. The cheetah was helpless at this time in a jungle. See that amazing moments and enjoy them. The cheetah tried to save her life from the crocodile's attack. Wow, beautiful and amazing scene in a jungle. On the other hand, in a jungle, the buffalo in aggressive mood at this time in a jungle and try to attack on the warthog baby in a jungle. The warthog baby was helpless at this time in a jungle. See that moments. A large group of cheetahs in a resting mood at this time in a jungle. The baby of the cheetah walking here and there in a jungle. The warthog walking here and there in a jungle. The cheetah see that moment in aggressive mood at this time in a jungle and try to attack on warthog and his baby in a jungle. See that amazing battle between cheetah versus warthog in a jungle. The warthog running very fast to save her life from the cheetah's attack. Wow, beautiful and amazing scene in a jungle. The cheetah running very fast towards the warthog and his baby in a jungle for attacking on him. Wow, beautiful and amazing fights between the cheetah versus warthog in a jungle. The warthog running is so high as compared to other animals living in the world. On the other hand, in a jungle, the fox walking here and there in a jungle and try to attack on the cheetah's tail. The cheetah in aggressive mood at this time in a jungle and try to save her life from the fox attack. Wow, beautiful and amazing scene in a jungle. See that amazing battle between the fox versus cheetah in a jungle. The cheetah running very fast towards the fox for attacking on him. The fox running very fast to save her life from the cheetah's attack. Wow, beautiful and amazing scene in a jungle. On the other hand, in a jungle, the cheetah's baby walking here and there in a jungle. The lion see that moment in aggressive mood at this time in a jungle and try to attack on the cheetah's baby. Wow, beautiful and amazing scene in a jungle. The mother cheetah was in aggressive mood at this time in a jungle and try to save her baby from the lion's attack. See that amazing moments.